In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to pair your AirPods with Windows 10. So if you want to use your AirPods as a Bluetooth headset, you could go ahead and do so following the steps I'm going to show you. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go over to Windows and go over to the Bluetooth settings, or you can just type in settings on the search options. Once you click settings, you can go to devices and then Bluetooth and other devices. From here, you're going to click on add Bluetooth or other device. And before you proceed, on your AirPod, you're going to see the sync button here on the back, as you can see here. So what we're going to do is we're going to press this button. But before we press the button, we want to go ahead and open the AirPods. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the button. And you're going to see the white light. Once you see the white light, you let go and then go ahead and click on Bluetooth. Now you're going to see on your Windows 10, My AirPods. So you go ahead and click on the AirPods. It's going to say connecting. And you get a message saying that your device is ready to go. And as you could confirm, it connected to voice and music. So now you could use this headset basically to listen from it, and also as a headset because it has a built-in microphone. All right, so that's how you pair your AirPods, and this should work with AirPods first, second, and the latest generation. If you have any questions, leave your comment below, and please subscribe.